I'm gonna show you how to check your orders that you have ordered through YouTube, say movies, if you order YouTube movies. So I'm gonna show you how to check that. So you click on right here, go to your YouTube channel. And up here at the top where your icon is at, you wanna click it and go to purchases and memberships. And as you can see, this is all the movies that I have purchased. So that's how you see your purchases. Say for instance, if you accidentally purchased a movie or it didn't play correctly and you want to request a refund, if you purchased it on your computer, you'll see a little link right here that says request refund. But as you can see, I purchased mine on my iPhone. So I will have to go through Apple to request a refund. So what you want to do is click on these three dots and say get help. Once you go to the get help, you can click up here and just type refund or start typing it. And you see right here, request a refund. Click on it. And like I said, on your computer, it will have a link, but mine's the iPhone I purchased mine on. So I click on iPhone and I click right here. It says, if you are experiencing some issues playing the movie, you can request a refund. If you haven't watched a show or movie, you can request a refund within 7 days of purchase. All of these steps on your computer. So go to your purchase page, click refund. Mine didn't have a refund on the side because I didn't purchase it from my laptop. I did it on my iPhone. Click to request refund. You will receive an email confirmation. But let me skip a little bit of this. Mine says right here says, if you purchase a TV show or movie via Apple, you'll be able to contact Apple support to request a refund. Apple's own refund policy will apply. So it's easier just to call Apple. I just called them and I requested a refund and they talked me through it and they sent me a confirmation email and that was it. And they credited my money back within 3 business days. So that's how you request a refund. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.